Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I wanted to show you the way how you can check to someone who unfollow you on the Instagram easily. You just need to open your Instagram application and make sure you visit your profile here. Go tap into the three small dots and go click your activity. Now we just need to scroll all the way down until you got this download your information. Just tap it. Now we just need to go click download or transfer informations, and here there will be two options: all available information or some of your information. Just tap it the second one. Now just need to wait. Now the next thing you need to do is just scroll all the way down again until you got the followers and following. Tap into the box and go click next. The next thing you need to do, you can just do the download to a device or transfer to destination. So download to device will send you through email, while the transfer to destination, there will be several options. The like a destination, just tap it. If you're willing to do it the Google Drive, just go tap Google Drive and go click save. Now you just need to go click next. Now make sure that your account is connected to Google Drive. And whenever it's perfectly connect, now you can don't forget to pick the format. Right after you're done picking the format, go click start transfer, and you can just add in the password. And now you're done. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully it helped you so much, and let's meet again into other tutorial.